Hello everybody, how are you? This short video is about classroom language. Repeat please. Classroom language. Very good. Now we are going to see the classroom language every day we will use. Number 1. This is rate. Rate. Repeat please. Rate. Very good. Now let's go with the second one. Right. Right. Repeat after me. Right. Great job. Next one. Open. Open. Repeat. Open. Great. Let's go with the next one. Close. Close. Great job. Now let's continue. Talk. Talk. One more time. Talk. Good job. Let's continue with the next one. Listen. 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 It's not listen, it is listen. Listen. Great job. And here we have another. Ask. 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 Great. Now let's continue. Answer. Answer. One more time. Repeat, please. Answer. Yes, we can say it's not answer, it is answer. Answer. Great job. Let's continue. Now, here we have to complete with the phrase with the words we have seen. Complete number 1. Is this listen your books, answer your books, open your books, or close your books? Okay, so complete please these exercises and send me a picture. Thank you.